Top 5 cirrhosis management secrets. I know it's really challenging to deal with cirrhosis. Cirrhosis flare-ups can deteriorate beauty, personality, and confidence. It's not something you can stop, but it is all about how your immune system responds. Being skeptical of your condition, whether it will be cured or not, adds more disappointment to your life. Well, living in dejection in cirrhosis can't solve your problem, but I have some top magical management secrets for your cirrhosis that naturally claim your flare-ups to a certain extent. Cirrhosis is an inflammation, so adopting such tips that can help reduce inflammation will help you with cirrhosis. Hello and a very warm good morning everyone. I cordially welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel where you can explore so much information on health and wellness, healthy diet, nutrition, exercise and holistic disease treatment. In my today's video, I will guide you on the top 5 cirrhosis management secrets that effectively manage your cirrhosis and reduce the flare-ups naturally. Let's first figure out what cirrhosis is. It's a chronic autoimmune condition that affects several parts of your body, your scalp, face, chest, nails, hands, legs, and genital too. Criticized by white silvery flakes and red inflamed patches. Well, this condition arises due to malfunctioning of your immune system that mistakenly attacks your healthy skin cells. Again, this is an inflammation and it can only be alleviated by adopting some tips that curb inflammation and lessen cirrhosis severity naturally. So let's begin. When it comes to inflammation, diet plays a major role. What you eat, your skin shows out, and the same is true with cirrhosis. Since cirrhosis is an inflammation of your skin, so including food that calms inflammation will go perfectly in this condition. You should remember that your food also triggers your cirrhosis and can potentially worsen the symptoms if you continue to consume pro-inflammatory foods like dairy products, deep fried and processed food, more salty and sugar food, nightshade veggies, alcohol and citrus fruits. Now, let's know what you can consume. You can take anti-inflammatory foods such as walnut, flax seeds, chia seeds, soy milk, oat milk, leafy green veggies, whole grains, salad containing cucumber, carrot and beetroot, plant proteins, herbal and chamomile tea. If you have psoriasis, you must follow a psoriasis-friendly skin routine. Yes, keeping your skin clean and moisturized is a plus point to affect less your symptoms as psoriasis has a dry and a rough disposition. Well, you can use essential oils like tea tree oil and lavender oil mixed with some carrier oil like neem oil, olive oil and coconut oil. You can also use aloe vera as it is a potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. It smooths the flare-ups and calms the condition. You can mix aloe vera with coconut oil and apply it on your affected areas. Then rinse with herbal or mild soap or shampoo. Keeping yourself hydrated is also crucial for psoriasis as it helps reduce the symptoms. One thing more, sunscreen is also important and excessive sun exposure can harm your skin and worsen psoriasis. What if I told you that stress and psoriasis go hand in hand? Yes, it's true. Stress is a cause of almost every disease, but in the case of autoimmune conditions, it is considered as one of the major causes. Stress can disturb your hormonal cycle and thus impact your immune system. Once your immune system gets disturbed, it starts attacking self cells and can cause psoriasis to develop. You can better manage your stress and lower stress hormones like cortisol by following relaxing techniques, yoga, exercise, and deep breathing. You can have a regular walk of 30 minutes, do some light exercises, and practice alternate nostrils breathing for 15 minutes. I know it's really embarrassing to live with a patchy and a scaly skin condition. You also seek a better option for treatment of your condition. Certain biologic, steroids, medicated creams, lotions, and ointments can subdue the symptoms for a short time but result in a worsen of the condition when you stop using them. Plus, they also cause some severe side effects. But why go with such potent steroids and biologics when psoriasis can be better treated with natural and holistic medicines? Yes, homeopathy can tackle your psoriasis with easy and no side effects. These medicines are light on your system and bring results in a short time. So, embrace homeopathy and lead a healthy life again. Your psoriasis is also linked to a gut health. A healthy gut is a colony of a healthy microbacteria. So, you should include food that help maintain a healthy microbe. Next is vitamin D. Yes, vitamin D is crucial for managing psoriasis symptoms as it helps regulate the immune function and reduce inflammation. You may either take vitamin D fortified food or supplements after consulting with your healthcare provider. Well, I have shared the top 5 secrets that can help you better cope with your psoriasis. I know psoriasis can feel isolating, but you are not alone in the journey. We at Bharat Homeopathy are always there for you to help get over your flaky and patchy skin condition. Bharat Homeopathy has a track record of thousands of happy patients who are now completely free from psoriasis and living a healthy life with their beautiful and glowing skin. We are a team of experienced doctors who first analyze the patient's condition, understand their constitution, and prescribe personalized and customized homeopathic treatment after a full case taking. If you or your loved one is struggling with psoriasis, don't worry. We are here for you to come out of your condition. For any question related to psoriasis or treatment, you can call us on our number and talk us today. I hope you like the video and don't forget to share and subscribe the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.